Now coming to leading producers from the Mosel, there are many smaller producers. One of the most renowned are, for example, Egon Müller, which is producing some of the most expensive white wines worldwide. Also, Markus Molitor is a winery which you find all over the world in wine ratings, but there are many, many more, and their number is increasing. On the other hand, we also have big companies at the Mosel, like Peter Mertes. They are bottling alone 360 million bottles each year. That doesn't mean that they just bottle wine from the Mosel there. That's just a minority. So here also quite a lot of bulk wine from all over the world is brought to the Mosel, to Bernkastel in that case, and being bottled and either being shipped to the countries close by in Europe or for the German market. So furthermore, we have the cooperative called Moseland, also in Bernkastel with its headquarter. And that cooperative counts for 20% of the wine production at the Mosel. In Rheingau, the production comes mainly from estates, and Rheingau is the home of some of the Germany's most famous and some of the oldest even wineries like Schloss Vollraths, but also Schloss Johannisberg, worth mentioning, and also the largest winery in Germany. It's the state-owned Hessische Staatsweingüter in Kloster Eberbach, is found in Rheingau.